Welcome to this sleep preparation process that I've put together. The aim of this is just to help you relax a little more, help calm everything down just a little before going to sleep. The first thing we're going to do is just take a moment to relax, let things settle down. Not quite so easy as you would think with the way the world is, but always worth pursuing. So, we're going to just take a slow breath in, reaching out to the sides, and a slow breath out, pressing back down. And then we're just going to rest our hands in our lap and breathe. So, the first thing we're going to do to help settle ourselves down after the breath is do cross butterfly taps. First, you start off making the butterfly, as I've done with other practices. We'll just gently, very gently, tap one side and then the other. Nice and easy, not in a rush. This is something to be done just before we go to bed. You just need that little extra help. Nice and gentle. One side and then the other. Nice and easy. Then after we've done that, we're going to tap down the inside of the left arm, then back up the outside, cross the chest, down the inside, back up the outside, and across the chest. Nice and gentle. I'm just trying to stimulate that circulation, help soften the muscles. Nice and easy. We're going to do that one more time. Nice and relaxed. Over the chest. Back down. And slowly up. And now, put our hands back in our lap. We're just going to close our eyes. We're doing a bit of awareness descending practice. So, first we just breathe. Try to pay attention to the body. Nice and easy. Now I want you to slowly guide your awareness, your focus, on the point just behind the forehead. Just allow yourself to gather your thoughts together there. Nice and relaxed. We'll just pause here for a moment. And then for the next part, we're going to guide our awareness down towards the chest. Just about where the solar plexus is. Just feel that area with your focus. Relaxed and calm. While you're focusing on there, you can also count breaths to help ease the mind. Nice and relaxed. We'll stay there for a few moments. And now we'll take our focus to our extremities, starting with the hands. And as you breathe in, imagine drawing up through the hands, the arms, to the shoulders. And as you breathe out, allow it to sink down into the belly. We'll do that a few moments, just breathing in and out, nice and relaxed. And then next, we're going to do the same thing with the legs, starting at the feet. You breathe in, drawing up through the legs, breathing out, settling in the belly. Just slow, gentle breathing, nice and relaxed. And then to finish, we're just going to rest, taking your awareness to the belly, or the area we call the lower dantian, just below the navel. We're just going to rest here for a few moments, placing everything where it needs to go, nice and relaxed. And I think we'll leave that there. We always go into these practices with few expectations, allowing the mind to settle a little easier that way. But I hope that this can help you rest and sleep more deeply, allowing for the following day to be lived more thoroughly. Thank you very much.